Hi, so today we're making seafood wontons with shrimp and scallops, Trini style, and veggies too. We have a little piece of celery, we have a carrot, we have a pimiento pepper, half a scotch bonnet pepper, 2 small bell peppers, green onion, a piece of thyme, and a 1/4 piece of cabbage. So we have the 1/4 cup of cabbage all chopped up, the carrot shredded, bell peppers chopped, the pimiento pepper, the celery, this is the green onion, and the culantro and the thyme. I have this all-purpose seasoning here. Half teaspoon of that, a teaspoon of sesame oil. We're just gonna mix all of that up. Pound of shrimp chopped here. You're gonna add a teaspoon of salt to the shrimp. We're just gonna use the same spoon from the veggies because it's all gonna come together anyway. A half a pound of scallops. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in there too, half teaspoon. I'm gonna mix it up. All right, we're just gonna add this together. So if you want, you could just add it all together and just add 2 teaspoons of salt. Put a teaspoon of garlic powder into the shrimp and mix it up. So we're gonna use these wonton wrappers.
A little bit. And you're going to put it there. Not too much. You take up a shrimp and a scallop and you put it there. Right? And then you take some water. Take this end and put some water in it right here, and you take this other end, put a little water in there, and you put it there.
So we wrapped all of them, and now we're gonna fry them. We have 2 cups of hot oil. It's very hot.
Take it down.
Here.
Put it on the oil first.